Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes. On matters of infrastructure and transport, the French government has made a significant mark in the development of Kenya's roads and railway systems. I am pleased to note that Kenya and France have finalized the agreement to facilitate funding of the upgrading of Nairobi commuter railway. This project aligns with Kenya's sustainable urban development initiatives aiming to enhance transport services and mobility in Nairobi metropolitan area. The amount involved here is close to 20 billion Kenya shillings. The two countries have also agreed to expedite the implementation of a key project to create 8 social, sports, and cultural complexes throughout the country that will be co-financed by the two countries to the tune of 10 billion Kenya shillings.
In Africa, by coming to Kenya, it is a sign of my commitment, that of France, and the partnership shared by our two countries. This partnership is growing, especially since the visit made by our president in 2019. In the face of major global challenges, we have strong and shared convictions.